especially to our students. Good evening. Good evening. Okay, and we have our visitor here, your former teacher and co-teachers of our faculty members. Good evening, sir. Thank you for coming. Okay, so the long wait is over. I know it is not what we call as too long.